Hi everyone, I am Ram Kumar. We are exploring one of the most critical intersection in computer science, that is cybersecurity and artificial intelligence machine learning in 2025. This is not theoretical. These technologies are reshaping how we define against threats right now. Whether you are a student, educator, or a professional, understanding this landscape is essential. So let's into the topic, and these are the topics which we are covering in next 5 minutes. So the first one is artificial intelligence defense uh, advances. Let's start with the good news. What defense AI can do in 2025. uh, Better AI model training with enhanced computation and larger datasets enables superior threat pattern detection. We are detecting anomalies no human could spot the anomalies, and AI agent capabilities are game changing. Google Deep Mindset big sleep anomalies. Sorry, autonomously discovers unknown vulnerabilities without being told what to look for, and behavioral anomalies detection using artificial intelligence is crucial for insider threats in our hybrid and remote work environments. Zero trust plus artificial intelligence gives us context aware across sorry access decisions, like device health, geolocation, and user behavior all inform whether you get access. It's not just who you are anymore, it's are you trustworthy right now. Now the reality adversaries are equally intelligent. Artificial intelligence powered attacks are fundamentally different. It can execute multi-stepped attacks without human intervention and adapt instantly. A single human attacker can now launch thousands of variants simultaneously in autonomous attack operations. Uh, in the same way, polymorphic ransomware mutates faster than signature based defenses, which can respond traditionally antivirus absolute. And also, the threat actors use artificial intelligence to autonomously find and exploit zero-day vulnerabilities before patches exists. And identity spoofing is done via deep fake and voice cloning in undermining traditional authentication. We cannot trust what you see and what you hear. The attack surface has fundamentally changed, and it's accelerating. Here, a critical defense concept, that is federated learning. Instead of centralizing sensitive data to train security models, we train on distributed nodes without moving raw data. Think about it: hospitals, banks, government agencies can collaborate one threat intelligence without exposing sensitive information. It will work by training models locally on our data and sharing only encrypted models parameters, not a raw data, and combined learning across the network, and the result will be better detection and better privacy. So, and the use cases in security covers that endpoint malware detection across organization, intrusion prevention systems, and operational technology security, continuous authentication. This is the paradigm shift from trust us with your data to we will learn from your data without seeing it. And federated reinforcement learning, taking privacy preserving machine learning further. it combines the best of both worlds, and these are the things which covers in federated learning. Cyberforce framework combines federated learning, reinforcement learning with moving target defense to mitigate zero-day attacks, creating dynamic defense systems, and knowledge transfer is the powerful endpoint to encounters and attack variant devices in brilliant automatically learn from it. Distributed intelligence and hierarchical merel multi-agent reinforcement learning, it enables collaborative cyber defense without control coordination, and DQ learning discovers optimal defense techniques across distributed environment automatically. This is the future distributed learning intelligence with no central point of failure. Artificial intelligence uh, security role in 2025 is broader than traditional security roles we are responsible for, and from development through production, securing machine learning systems, and also we model the threats and vulnerability assessment specifically for artificial intelligence models, and securing NLP and computer vision systems. We need to think like both a software engineer and a security professional. It's not either or, it's both. And critical skills every artificial intelligence security professional needs. uh, these are the critical skills which a professional must need, and understand how stable input manipulation can fool AI models. A misaligned image pixels can change classification results, identify when training data sets are compromised. Bad data creates bad models, and LLM and NLP applications are vulnerable to malicious prompts. This is the new injection attack surface, and you need transparent interpretable artificial intelligence. If you cannot explain why the model made to decision, you cannot verify it securely. uh, and the additional critical competencies are as follows. These are the other skills in essential artificial intelligence security. Notice a pattern: software engineering fundamentals are essential, uh, and software engineering artificial intelligence security bridge. This is where software engineering knowledge becomes invaluable, and uh, threat model and risk assessment are software engineering fundamentals that directly apply to the machine learning systems. uh, when we are building a machine learning systems with security by design principles, it automated testing and security gates for ML pipelines using the same concepts we learn in software engineering. And the model validation and adversarial testing frameworks are the machine learning equivalent of unit and integration testing. Software engineering is the foundation. Everything else builds on it. And let's look at what's actually happening in industry in 2020, 25. 80% of security teams reports that significant time savings through artificial intelligence automation, and 95% detection accuracy achieves with federated learning in IoT security, and 20% energy efficiency improvement with distributed versus centralized approach. And first AI foiling exploit attempt: Google Big Sleep prevent real world vulnerability exploitation. This is not future talk, it's already happening now. And the skills gap training imperative: Here is the challenge: artificial intelligence powered attacks are outpacing the defensive skill development. Technical skills alone are not sufficient. You need business ecom communication too, and continuous learning is essential. And the top 10 OWASP for LLMs and emerging attack patterns, new defenses, hands-on labs, simultaneous real-world machine learning security scenarios are non-negotiable. You need to experience these attacks and defenses, not just read about them. And emerging concerns and future challenges are autonomous adoption, which where threats evolving faster than defense respond, and artificial intelligence generated persons by passing identity verification system, uh, and also supply chain attack threatening training data. And these are the software engineering curriculum enhancements. And if you are educating the next generation, consider these curriculum additions: secure SDLC with threat modeling for machine learning systems, and adversarial machine learning and defense machine learning, federated learning architecture and implementation, hands-on labs with secure model and deployment and testing, bridge the gap between traditional software engineering and artificial intelligence security. Don't teach them separately. Okay. And these are the key points, uh, which are the skills: integration of software engineering, machine learning and security creates the new competency set for 2025 and beyond. We cannot ignore any of these domains. And this is the future landscape. The future is not one technology, it's the integration of all three: software engineering excellence, artificial intelligence, machine learning sophistication, and security rigor. And the intersection is clear. The convenience is unmistakable: software engineering, artificial intelligence and cyber security. This is how we prepare students for future of secure intelligent systems, not as separate disciplines, but as a integrated uh, unified competency. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can ask in comments. And thank you. I will try to reply uh, for your comments. Thank you.